Bambiz and welcome back. If you're an estate planning or elder law attorney, you know that your team is everything. Without the right people in place, your practice isn't going anywhere. But here's the kicker. Employee retention isn't just about offering more money. It's about creating a culture where your team feels valued, supported, and motivated to stick around. So if you've been struggling to keep your team happy and loyal, don't worry. Today we're breaking down the simple changes that you can make that'll have a huge impact on your employee retention. Let's start with the foundation, hiring the right person. You've probably heard this before, but I can't stress it enough. It only takes one bad apple to spoil the whole bunch. That's why the hiring process is the most important step you'll take towards long-term employee retention. When hiring for your estate planning or elder law firm, it's critical that you find someone who not only has the technical skills for the job, but who also truly aligns with your firm's core values. After all, you're not just bringing them in to fill a position, you're inviting them to be part of a team that provides support, compassion, and legal expertise to families who trust you with their future. So here's the key. Take your time during the hiring process. Don't rush it. It's tempting just to look for someone who can get the job done quickly, but think about it from a long-term perspective. You want someone who fits within your firm's culture and shares your vision for how the work should be done. Ask yourself these questions during the interview process. Does this person show a passion for estate planning or elder law, or are they just looking for a job? Will they be able to work well with your team and align with the way you operate? How do they respond to questions about your firm's values and the clients you serve? A few well-placed questions about their motivations, past work experiences, and what they're looking for in a workplace can reveal a lot about whether they're a good culture fit. Hiring someone who understands and embraces your firm's culture is just as important as their skill set. And remember, taking time to hire the right person will save you a lot of stress down the road. When you have someone on your team who truly fits in with your vision, your work environment, and your mission, you'll see long-term loyalty, productivity, and success. Of course, compensation matters. It's not all about the paycheck. Fair pay is important, but so are benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. Also consider non-traditional work perks, things like flexible work hours, remote work options, and opportunities for professional development. These small touches can go a long way in showing your team they're valued. Next up, communication. This is where many firms drop the ball. Employees want to feel like their voices are heard. Regular check-ins, open-door policies, and team meetings can help build that feeling of inclusion and engagement. And don't forget, it's a two-way street. Make sure you're encouraging feedback, whether it's about workload challenges or how the firm can be better. When you foster open communication, you create a culture of trust and respect, and that leads to happier, more committed employees. Another key factor in employee retention, opportunities for growth. Your team wants to feel like they're advancing in their careers. Offering opportunities for professional development, certifications, and training shows that you're invested in their success. In the world of estate planning and elder law, there's always something new to learn, and your team will appreciate the chance to grow with your firm. Let's talk about something simple but incredibly effective, recognition. It's amazing what a little appreciation can do. Whether it's a thank you for a job well done, celebrating a milestone, or just acknowledging someone's efforts in front of the team, it makes all the difference, and consistency is key. The more you recognize your team's achievements, the more motivated and loyal they'll be. Finally, let's talk about work culture. A positive, supportive environment is crucial. For estate planning and elder law firms, that means fostering a culture of trust, respect, and work-life balance. You want your team to feel like they're part of something bigger than just their job description. Regular team building activities and social gatherings can help create that camaraderie that makes work feel like a community, not just a place you show up every day. So, there you have it. Employee retention isn't just about offering a paycheck. It's about creating a culture where your team feels supported, valued, and empowered. If you're ready to create a firm culture that attracts and retains top talent, schedule a free 15-minute call with our team at bambiz.net. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our tips. Have any questions? Drop a comment below and someone from our team will reach out. We're here to help you build a team that sticks around and grows with your practice, one great hire at a time.